Namaste. Welcome to class. I am Apsara. Welcome to this quick 10-minute core routine with me. This is just something I do regularly to strengthen my body from the inside out. We don't need any props. You just need a mat. We're going to do each exercise for over a minute. Feel free to play some nice music to help you do this routine. And when you're ready, let's get started. Starting off in a seated position with the knees bent, extend the arms forward and roll the spine gently down to the ground. Interlock the fingers behind the head, take a deep inhale. Exhale, lift the head and shoulders up and off the ground and keep going like this. Every time you inhale, gently go back. Every time you exhale, work to come up. Go at a pace that's comfortable for you. No stress, don't force it. So on your inhalation, gently lowering the head down, and as you exhale, come up, but don't compress the neck by bringing the elbows too close to each other. Keep it open so you're still creating the spaciousness in the chest every time you come up. And also be sure to press the feet into the mat so you're activating the legs every time you come up. On your exhalation, draw the low belly in towards the spine. So powerful breath. We're almost done, just about 15 seconds to go. Inhale back and then exhale up. Inhale back, exhale up. Here we are moving into the last 5 seconds. After this, we're going to transition into our bicycle crunches. Now bend the knees towards the chest, come up and bring opposite knee to opposite elbow. You can do it with the knees bent, or you can also try to straighten as I demonstrate here. Work towards bringing the opposite elbow to the outside of the knee, and it's not so much about bringing the leg towards the upper body, it's more about bringing the elbow towards the opposite part of the leg. So keep working to lift, and remember, the breath is very important. So powerful exhalations every single time you do this. Inhaling, exhaling, inhaling, exhaling. You're doing so good. Just a few more of these. Keep going. Here we are moving into the last 10 seconds. Almost done. Keep it going. Stay with me. Good. Now rest the head down, keep the legs up the wall, and then slowly start to lower the legs as close as you can. And then when you come up, gently lift the hips up. Exhale to lower, inhale, come up, gentle hip rise. Exhale to go down, inhale, gently lift the hips up. So if the lower back starts to come off the ground at any point, you can keep the hands underneath the tailbone, making sure the lower spine remains on the ground as you do this. Otherwise, you don't have to take the legs so far down. You can just stop at 45, making sure the lower spine is on the mat, and every time you come up, work to lift the legs up as though you're pushing something away from you. Okay, so there's so much strength that we are creating in the transverse abdominis. Keep going up and forward. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, hover it off. Just one more. And then now bend the knees, set the heels down, bring it towards you and lift the hips up even higher. So now bend the knees, heels down, take the knees and lift up. Exhale, bend the knees, tap the heels down. Inhale, lift the hips up even higher. So this is also working on the transverse abdominals, these two exercises back to back, creating that strength from deep within the body as we do this. Exhale to tap, inhale, bring it up. So anytime you feel that you're losing your form and you're going out of breath, you know that that's where you have to stop for right now. You can always choose to take a few seconds to pause before we continue to the next exercise. Here we are moving into the last 5 seconds. You're doing so well. Just do it one last time. And then you can keep the legs straight up the wall, reaching for opposite pinky toe. So lift the head and shoulders up off the mat. Work to really reach that opposite pinky toe with the opposite hand. and making sure the legs are at 90-degree angle here. Don't take the legs too back, closer to the upper body. You really want to work towards reaching. So keep coming up and crossing, 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 breathing deeply every time you do this. Navel into spine. Good. Keep at it. Keep reaching the opposite pinky toe with the opposite hand, working those obliques once again. The last 10 seconds here. Keep going for 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Quick transition. Roll yourself up, coming to a forearm plank position. Be active through the shoulders, push the floor away, engage the leg muscles, holding for a few moments here. And then we're going to do an isometric hold over to the right side. So bring your feet over to the side. This is shockingly hard, but it's so strengthening for the body. Stay with your breath, be calm. Just a few more seconds here in this powerful hold. Press into the fingertips. Make sure the hip is not sinking down and you're being extremely strong with the shoulders. Pushing the shoulders. Almost done. Few more seconds. And then slowly come back to your forearm plank position. Keep the legs active. Hold here for a few breaths. Eyes at one point to keep the focus within yourself. And then on your exhalation, take it over to the left side. So doing this asymmetrical hold on the left side, being very strong again with the shoulders. Try to keep yourself honest right here. Not sinking the hips, pushing the floor away, engaging the legs. At the same time, the mind is calm. You can do this. Deep inhale, full exhale out. One more time. Deep inhale in, full exhale out. Here we are moving to the last few seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back to center. Quick transition right here. Lie down on your back once again. Cross the right ankle over the left knee. Left hand behind the head. Exhale, come up and twist. So again, working on the obliques. Try to bring the opposite elbow towards the outer part of the right hip crease. So it's not so much about lifting both shoulders off the mat. It's more about that twist that you experience when you bring the opposite elbow towards the opposite knee. Keep going. Strong upper body, strong core muscles, and a strong mind. Everything working powerfully together. Beautiful. Keep at it. Here we are moving into the last 10 seconds. Stay with me. Powerful breath. And then after this, you can extend the legs forward for your roll-ups. Extend the arms all the way up. Exhale, come up all the way. Roll the spine forward, take the arms up. And then roll the spine back. So use the hands to help lift your body up as you come forward. And then slowly rolling and extend the arms back. Maybe you don't need the support of the hands and you can try to cross the hands at the shoulders like I demonstrate here, and then just coming up using the core muscles without even any support from the hands. But don't force it. As you do these exercises regularly, you will start to feel the body strengthen, and then maybe you can try this variation if you're not able to do it immediately. Another option for you is also to try to do the same thing with the knees bent, with the feet flat on the ground. You can try to do these roll-ups with the knees bent if you're not able to do it with the legs straight today. Wonderful. Now let's just finish up. So once again, bending the knees, bring the left ankle over the right and start to twist. Right arm behind the head. Every time as you exhale, come up. Try to bring the elbow towards the left hip crease as much as possible. Keep going. And this is where we finish. So give it your all. This is the format I've been doing daily, over 10-minute burners to strengthen the body, not just in my asana practice, but I know I'm always stronger when I move from my core in everyday life. All right, so keep going. You almost are through. Here we are moving into the last 15 seconds. Powerful breathing. The mind is focused for 5, 4, 3, 2, and relax. Now you can straighten the legs forward and just go ahead and take a full body stretch, a very well deserved stretch, and then you can also bend the knees, coming to your comfortable bridge position, lifting the hips up, releasing the spine, opening the chest. Stretching that front side body feels so good. And then you can also open the arms to the side as you exhale, get into a twist, a reclined twist, and then over to the other side. Exhale as you twist. Then bring it back to center, hold the knees, and you're done. Continue the rest of your day. Thanks for joining.